Before you skip, watch how this simple flower becomes a factory product. And yes, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Only mature blossoms survive the next step.
This factory still begins with human hands. Damage avoided here saves losses later. Sorting starts before the factory walls. No automation yet, only experience.
The journey has officially begun.
This is where volumes meet logistics. Clean enough to move forward. Weight decides the next route.
Nothing moves loose.
Fieldwork ends here. Next, these blossoms enter the factory world. Transport begins where harvesting ends. A loose load risks the entire batch. Raw material is now in motion.
The factory is never far from the source. Every vibration tests the packing.
Control matters before machines take over.
Industry grows beside everyday life.
The destination finally reveals itself.
This road feeds the factory.
Rough walls hide complex work.
Every load is checked before entry.
This is where raw becomes processed. The factory takes control now.
Next, inside the factory walls.
Once inside, timing becomes everything. Every note marks the end of transport.
No conveyors yet, only strength and rhythm.
Order starts before processing.
Age does not limit productivity.
Inside, precision replaces power.
This door separates field from factory. The heart of processing beats here.
Every step feeds the next system.
Machines take over, but humans guide them.
This is the official entry point.
From here, there is no return.
Human judgment keeps balance.
Cleaning comes next. Now, purity begins. Cleaning begins with force, not finesse.
Machines wash. Hands ensure coverage.
Waste exits as quickly as possible. Cleanliness improves in stages. Moisture control starts early.
Inspection replaces washing.
Eyes still outperform sensors. Only usable layers continue.
Sorting protects final quality.
Uniformity starts here.
Flow must never stop.
Final assurance before transformation.
Approved to move forward.
Now, real processing begins.
This is where raw form starts to change.
Position decides precision. Old steel still delivers accuracy. Consistency is built step by step.
Human judgment refines machine work.
Defects never move forward. Balance protects machines. Structure is softened, not destroyed.
Heat prepares the material.
Controlled moisture is critical.
This defines the product form.
Flow control never sleeps. Flow control never sleeps.
Standards are felt, not guessed. Every step feeds the next. Transformation begins now. This is where material truly changes.
Control defines consistency.
Motion replaces raw rigidity. Heat restructures the fibers.
change becomes visible. Evenness prevents later faults. Cooling stabilizes structure. Temperature drops. Form holds. Stability achieved.
Final shape begins here.
Pressure locks the structure.
Excess leaves the system. Flexibility confirms success. From force to automation. Machines now take full control. Automation now controls the rhythm.
Every slice is measured with precision.
Mechanical hands now guide flow.
Accuracy ensures quality.
Moisture control continues seamlessly. Consistency becomes uniform.
Digital eyes augment human supervision.
Paths are determined before packaging.
Subtle adjustments prevent defects.
Precision is measured in microns. All streams unify here.
Errors are caught instantly.
Consistency shines under scrutiny.
Every strip is now ready for perfection.
Precision begins where automation leaves off. Edges must be flawless. Thickness defines quality. Alignment ensures uniformity downstream.
Precision meets mechanical rhythm.
Perfection demands attention.
Shape locks in quality.
Touch confirms readiness.
Order is essential before packaging.
Final polish without contact.
Approval passes the baton forward.
Consistency is now visual.
Every detail is illuminated.
Flow aligns with the next stage.
Every strip now faces final scrutiny.
Quality inspection ensures excellence.
Every imperfection is noted.
Moisture must meet strict standards.
Texture tells the story of transformation.
Laboratory insights guide the process.
Errors are discarded before progress.
Precision is double-checked. Color consistency confirms quality.
Data tracks every batch.
Sound can reveal hidden flaws.
Focus is maintained while rhythm guides attention.
Uniformity matters in every pallet.
Checks converge into certainty. Preparation precedes final assembly.
Final stage begins, from factory floor to dispatch. From strips to packets, every step counts.
Precision in every packet.
Sealed for freshness and safety.
Identification ensures traceability.
Stacks ready for storage and transport.
Protection secured for the journey ahead.
Every pallet meets exact standards.
Storage keeps supply ready for demand.
Transport begins the final journey. Safety accompanies every shipment.
And this is how modern factories produce banana blossom from start to finish.
Every journey begins with careful preparation.
From raw harvest to dispatch, the flow is seamless. Every section works in harmony to deliver perfection.
Comment what's next, and remember to like and subscribe for more inside factory journeys.